So I use an empty container that I have lying around the house because I like to recycle a lot of the things that I use. This one is just an almost empty argan oil container, but I'll be using the same stuff to put in there, so it doesn't really matter. I'm just using quite a bit of the argan oil conditioner I just have in my shower. I put in my Schwarzkopf hair repair oil and a little bit of my Garnier fructis oil as well. I think they do pretty much the same thing, but I prefer to go a bit above and beyond with my hair. I'll just put 5 or 6 squirts of each, and I mix it while the lid is closed, so that way I get a nice even mixture. You can see that it's kind of really liquidy at this point, probably because it's mostly just conditioner and oil, but that's pretty much what we want. It'll be really good for my hair. The reason why I'm using one hand is because I cut my finger open before, and I don't really want to use that finger. So I'll just do it with this hand. Now that that's on, I'll let that sit for, well, as long as I want, until I'm ready to wash it out. But in the meantime, I'll tell you how I make the spray that I use on my hair every day, and it's saved my hair. So how I make my spray, I've put it in a random old styling bottle because it's just handy for me. What I use is pretty much exactly what I just put in my hair, but just with water. In that bottle is a mixture of argan oil hair treatment, or sometimes it's the Garnier Nutrice. It depends on which hair mask you like the most. Sometimes I use conditioner. Doesn't really matter. And then I generally use a couple of drops of Garnier oil or the Schwarzkopf Extra Repair something. I put that all into this bottle, and then I fill it almost to the top with hot water, and then I shake it just like that, which kind of melts the oil a bit and the conditioner, and it blends them together. I let that sit until it cools down, then I use it just like normal. In the mornings when I get up and I go to brush my hair, give it a shake and I spray it on my hair, and then I brush my hair with it, and that works. It also works really well as a hair detangler, to some degree as a heat protectant spray. I use it before and after I straighten or blow dry my hair. It keeps my hair soft, and it's all round just a really good thing to use on your hair, especially if you bleach it a lot or if you change the colours. Even if you don't process your hair very much, it's still really good to use. It keeps it soft and bouncy. So yes, I'll check in with you after I wash my hair mask out. So I'm just fresh out of the shower. I didn't wash my hair, I didn't even condition my hair. I literally just rinsed it from the hair mask that I made that I put in. Depending on what your hair is like, it'll definitely save your hair. The oils and the conditioner are just all around good for your hair. They keep your hair hydrated and moisturized, especially after you bleach it if you use the spray that I talked about previously. I use it every day. It'll just keep your hair nice and shiny and soft and bouncy, and honestly it works. I've been using it for over a year now. I gave it to some of my friends for Christmas presents because they needed some much needed help with their hair. I'll probably change my hair again soon, and I might bring you guys along with me. My birds are talking. I'd love to bring you along my new hair journeys with me now that I've started back here on YouTube. Yeah, I haven't done a normal video like this for a while. It's mostly just JTV at the moment because that's easy for me to film. Yeah, so thanks for watching, and I guess I'll see you next video. Really?